If your customer always see this, but you want to show this, you choose write video. It costs your time, we starting now. If you wanna do it with me, open or model some simple stuff and move to render window. How to do it? On the top left corner, click on design and choose render. Welcome! Let's start with appearance. This colorful round is button to change appearance. Here you can choose color and material for your model. When you open this tab, step number 1 is choose any folder with material. Click on it and you will see different materials inside. Choose something that you like, drag on your body. Good job! Your model has new material. Now it's time to change color. In this tab, click on your material 2 times and choose any color that you want. It's pretty funny if you also choose green. Wake up, we are on tutorial. Second button, stand setting. Most of features are used by default, but I change background color to white just because I like it. You can choose any that you want. Aspect ratio. I choose 1 to 1 because it is convenient to add on website. And in the bottom of this tab, we can see Save as default. Click on it, and in all new designs, you will have this setting by default. Next button in Canvas Render. You click on this button and Fusion starts rendering. You may choose 3 types of quality. The biggest disadvantage of this method is that when you start render, it is unavailable to use app and make other projects. That's horrible. When render is finished, you click on capture image, choose setting for saving, and save to your Mac or Windows device. Render button. This is what we actually need. Let's set up our picture. Here's some basic setting. For someone it may be important that in PNG format you can render and save with transparent background. Also you may choose size of image. Second important part is rendering quality. Here is 4 choice for you. Draft, standard, final and excellent. I prefer to render a standard when sent to customer or for my friend. If it is for social media or website, I choose of course excellent quality. So, these basic features for rendering high quality picture. Hope it helped you. Press like and subscribe button, it will help me so much. Thank you.